Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up lead generation forms on Bluehost. I just tap on my Asfari brother, and before you creating an account you will have to purchase the plan for creating. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me, and after logging the account, to begin you will need to access the Bluehost builder editor. So number one, navigate to the page and location on the page where you would like to add your contact form. Second, click the add section icon. So add section menu will open to the left. And third, select contact form from the section menu. And fourth, select the layout option, and the website builder will add the form to your page. So you can clearly see this short tutorial in this screen. This is how to set up lead generation forms on Bluehost. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.